Hi Chem Peeps, this is video 2 talking about Lewis dot diagrams or VSEPR theory. And you may have learned in the chapter when you talked about periodic trends the number of valence electrons. Now valence means outer energy level. And so those are the important electrons when it comes to bonding. And so it's based on family trends. So all the elements found in family 1 will have 1 valence electron. All the elements in family 2 will have 2 valence electrons. The transition metals will vary, so we're not going to talk about those. Column 13 have 3, 14 has 4, 15 has 5, 16 has 6, 17 has 7, and 18 has 8 valence electrons. Now I want to talk about this one here. That's helium. Helium is in the noble gas column. It behaves just like it has an octet or 8 valence electrons, but it doesn't. It only has 1 energy level, and the most electrons that it has in its outer energy level is 2. And so even though it only has 2 in its outer energy level, it behaves just like an octet, a full shell. Krypton is also found in column 18. It has 8 valence electrons. Boy, I'm just having trouble here. So we're going to put 8 around here. And it is full, and it can be forced to bond, but it really doesn't like to bond because it's already stable with 8. Potassium is in family 1, so it has 1 valence electron. Strontium is in family 2, so it has 2 valence electrons. Aluminum is in family 3, and it has 3. And I'm just going to go around like there's a box with 4 sides around the aluminum, 1 per side. And you're going to see in my next videos that we can move them around when we're doing bonding. Carbon is in family 14, so it has 4 valence electrons. Phosphorus is in family 15, so it has 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1 per side of my imaginary box, and then I'm going to put the 5th one, I'm going to pair it up with the one that I already had there. Oxygen is in family 16, so it has 6, so I'm going to start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, now I have 1 per side, and now I can start doubling up, 5, 6. Chlorine is in family 17, so it has 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and so real quick before I close out and go to my example videos, when we have a single electron like that, that's called a bonding site. And that's going to be important as we move into building these molecules. And so I just wanted to point that out. Find me on TikTok and YouTube at Chem's Chem Chats. And I have some example videos coming up. Hope to see you there.